Nestled in the heart of Brisbane's Paddington, Arcos stands as a testament to architectural innovation and meticulous craftsmanship. Conceived by Joe Adsett Architects and realized by Graya, the home of Robert and Meghan Gray is a palatial retreat that seamlessly blends Spanish Revival influences with the warm, tactile nature of a classic Queenslander. The journey into Arcos begins with a dramatic entrance, a softly lit, arched tunnel of rendered concrete that invites exploration. Emerging from this architectural embrace, visitors are greeted by a series of awe-inspiring interior and exterior spaces. The home's grand scale, informed by the expansive 820 square meters block it occupies, is balanced by a sense of intimacy and comfort. The foundation for Arcos was laid upon the bones of a pre-war Queenslander. While council guidelines dictated the preservation of the existing structure, the architects cleverly incorporated the original house into the overall design, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. The weathered facade of the Queenslander remains visible from the street, providing a connection to the neighborhood's history. Inside, however, the Queenslander is all but forgotten. The interior is dominated by sweeping curves, arches, and columns that evoke the spirit of Spanish Revival architecture. The most striking feature is the grand staircase, a sculptural element that connects the 3 floors and bathes the space in natural light. Despite its grandeur, Arcos is a home designed for comfort and relaxation. The curved walls and soft, tactile surfaces create a sense of embrace, while the carefully chosen furnishings invite conversation and relaxation. The kitchen, with its rounded island and vertical column-style detailing, is a hub of activity, encouraging social interaction. Arcos is not only a private residence but also a versatile space that has been used as a backdrop for fashion shoots. Its lofty ceilings, grand proportions, and welcoming atmosphere make it an ideal setting for events and gatherings. For Robert and Meghan Gray, however, Arcos is more than just a beautiful home. It is a place where they can settle, put down roots, and create lasting memories. Well, that's the video about Arcos, a stunning home designed by Joe Adsett Architects. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the architecture, design, and features of this unique property. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about architecture, design, and home improvement. And please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or informative. Thanks for watching.